Hello, it's Trisha with Ameritrail with our trailer of the week. This week we have a caliber 8 foot by 30 foot gooseneck trailer. It comes with a spare tire, the locking toolbox, dual spring loaded jacks. This is a massive trailer with a 25-foot deck over, torque axle, dual tandem wheels, and of course our mud flaps. It has monster ramps with gate assist, a 5-foot self-cleaning dovetail, and of course our LED lights all the way around, continuous Department of Transportation reflector tape. This is a massive trailer. It weighs in at 20,000 pounds gross vehicle weight with a 13,500 capacity. If you're in the market for a massive trailer, give us a call, 407-892-1100.